Okay, hi, I'm Eloy again, and I'm here today to discuss briefly the intrinsic muscles of the larynx. And so, right here, we have a model 3D printed thing of a larynx, and this is the thyroid cartilage with the notch right here, and then your cricoid cartilage on the bottom here. It's kind of a signet ring shape there. And then, of course, inside we have these arytenoids, and those are paired cartilages there. And this is the vocal box, or the voice box, is what it's referred to, the larynx there. And I'm here to briefly explain some of these muscles. Most of these muscles are adductors. That means they bring the vocal cords together. So that's inphonation. So as you can see, kind of here, it brings those vocal folds together, right, through their retinoids and stuff. So I'm just going to go through a few muscles. Um, First is like right inside here. It's pretty hard to see, but there's what they call the lateral cricoid arytenoids, and those move the muscular processes of the arytenoids forward immediately. So that means forward and then towards the center line of like the thyroid there. So right, as you can see, they kind of squeeze together there. And then the only abductor which moves the vocal folds away from the center line uh, is the posterior cricoid uh, arytenoid. And those are kind of in the back here, like right here, like teardrop shape, sort of like right there in the back. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see those are the only abductor intrinsic muscles of the larynx there. And then another adductor is the transverse interarytenoids. And those span arytenoids and pull the two closer together and approximate the vocal folds. And then uh, the oblique interarytenoids back here, like this X shape here, that's the oblique interarytenoids, and they pull the epiglottis to help cover the larynx. So when we eat and stuff, that the epiglottis covers, so we don't get aspiration or food or liquid uh, into our trachea, so into our lungs. So it helps prevent against that. And then we have in the thyroid notch here, this thyroid notch on the inner, those are the thyroid arytenoids. So right, these little blue bands there, those are the thyroid arytenoids. And then we have some tensor muscles that help, um, kind of pull the thyroid cartilage forward. So it's like these muscles right here. They're roughly triangular shaped, and those are called the cricothyroid pars recta. Excuse me. And those help tense the vocal folds. So those help, bring them together. And then we have the cricothyroid obliques recta, and those tense the vocal folds as well, and they rock the thyroid cartilage forward, and it stretches the vocal folds. So right, all these little bands and mechanisms, these little intrinsic muscles of the thyroid, is what causes you to be able to phonate and to tense and relax your vocal folds so that you can speech or sing or whatever you want to do. But very important to learn about your thyroid, your cricoid. These arytenoids are especially important in phonation and everything, and tensing and relaxing your vocal folds. Well, thanks for watching and have a great day.